Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today I'm showing you this Honda CB125R. It's a learner legal 125cc single cylinder motor, obviously made by Honda. It's covered just over 2,000 miles on a 2019 plate. This particular model comes with ABS. As you can see, the tracks on the radially mounted brake caliper there. Tyres are in really good condition, as you'd expect for a bike that's covered 2,000 miles. It's got this kind of retro front end, so Honda actually call it the Neo Calf Racer. So it's kind of blend of old and new sort of retro styling. You can see the trellis frame on the side there and the underslung underbelly exhaust. Sounds quite nice. You might want to change that. We can offer aftermarket exhausts and they start from as little as £150 and you'll get discount on that as well. So if you're interested in an aftermarket exhaust with a bike, let us know. You might also be interested in a tail tie. You can see how big the tail section is. It's quite long on this. Bike's in really nice condition, as you can see. Got all the original keys, owner's manuals, the works. 2,000 miles from new. Let's head around the back. Again, as you can see from this side, it's in really nice condition. It's been well looked after. There's a couple of little wear and tear marks on this, namely on the mirrors, which is really common because they get pushed down alleyways and stuff like that. It's not the end of the world. You could replace them, they're not expensive if you wanted to. Other than that, the bike's in really nice condition. During the lockdown period, we're offering free delivery on this motorcycle, so you can take advantage of that. We don't know how long that's going to last, obviously. We offer a 3-month warranty. Hopefully you won't need it. This bike may actually still be in the Honda warranty as well, so you can ask us about that. Let's give her a start for you. It's got a fully digital dash on this model, which is really nice. It's quite uncommon for a 125. It's also got a USB charge port as well. So there you have it. That's the CB125R Neo Calf Racer. Happy to take any inquiries and answer any questions. You can reach out to us on WhatsApp, Facebook, via the website live chat, or of course you can give us a call. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.